Okay, we're back on the 88 fj62 restoration. Got the engine all reassembled. It's completely rebuilt. Got it sitting back in the chassis. Got a brand new 5-speed. Overhauled the transfer case. I use kit from Cruiser Outfitters on those. Same with the U-joints. Get those from Cruiser Outfitters. Transmission mount, engine mounts. A lot of parts from those guys. They're great guys. We got a reman Toyota starter on there. All new Toyota tune-up components, Toyota oil filter, a new AC compressor. All this stuff cleaned up really well. A lot of new parts, new water pump. That's Aisin. I think I got that from Cruiser Outfitters as well. New Aisin fan clutch. I got that locally. Cruiser Outfitters also got thermostat stuff, all that stuff. Take a look at those guys' site. They got a lot of stuff. Got a rebuilt alternator from a local company, Romaine Electric here in Portland. Built these power steering hoses so that the rubber portions of them can be replaced if they ever fail. That's all one piece if you're familiar with these, so you have to pull the radiator out, the fan shroud. A lot of work just to get those hoses out if they fail. Let's see what else. All the fuel injection stuff cleaned up and new. Had the injectors serviced. Wound up putting a new oil pan on it. What else is there here? Obviously it's got a brand new clutch in there. All those components are new. So that's about it for now. Get a little more progress and do another update soon.